The Pharaoh ant is a common ant species found throughout the United States and the rest of the world. They are intuitive and prolific breeders, with colonies sometimes numbering in the hundred thousands. These ants prefer to nest indoors and can quickly infest homes, restaurants, and hospitals, so it's important to perform proper Pharaoh ant control. If you'd like to shop the professional pest products in this video and learn even more about Pharaoh ant control, click the card on the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. The Pharaoh ant is extremely small, measuring around 1/16 of an inch in length. They can range in color from yellow to a light reddish brown. They're easily spotted by their darker abdomens. Pharaoh ants are commonly found inside where there is food and moisture close by, such as kitchens and bathrooms. They'll typically be in wall voids around plumbing, around water heaters, under sinks, or near appliances. They can also be found trailing along baseboards, near windows, near doors, or near entry points like weepholes or where pipes penetrate the walls. To get control of Pharaoh ants, the most effective method is using a bait. Use Ant-Trax ant gel bait. Ant-Trax is a sweet gel bait that comes in a syringe for easy application and has been tested to be one of the most effective baits available. Pharaoh ants are not picky eaters, but prefer sweet or fatty foods, so a sweet gel bait like Ant-Trax can be very effective. Apply Ant-Trax in locations where ant activity is common, such as kitchens, near appliances, near baseboards, and entry points. When baiting, be sure to remove any competing food sources by storing food in airtight containers or picking up pet food. Resist the urge to spray the ant trails with contact and repelling insecticides. This will cause the Pharaoh ants to abandon their trails, bud, and split off to create more nests, worsening the infestation. However, you can use a non-repellent insecticide like Spectre 2 SC. This is a liquid concentrate that's labeled for Pharaoh ants and many different pests. Mix this with water, being sure to follow label instructions. Spray this around entry points such as windows, doors, along baseboards, around sinks, or wall voids. Because it's a non-repellent, the Spectre will go unnoticed by the ants, controlling them without them even knowing. Prevent Pharaoh ants from returning by eliminating food sources in your home. Clean countertops, sweep, and vacuum frequently. Remove water sources by fixing any leaky plumbing. Trim vegetation back from the house, and seal up any cracks and crevices around the home. Pharaoh ants can be difficult to get rid of, but you can control them easily with professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. We guarantee these products will get rid of your Pharaoh ant problem, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. If you like this how-to guide and when the products work for you, please share. If you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.